Hi there, and welcome to Whimsical Creations. Today I'm going to be working with a stainless steel tumbler I purchased from Michael's, and I will list all the materials I use in the description box below. I'm going for an ombre effect, so what I did was I have the two craft paints and I put some apothecary glue in with the paint, and now I'm just creating the ombre effect, and it will help me to know where to stop with the glitters so I can blend them together. And then once this is complete, I will go ahead and add my glitter, which one of them, well, actually, I use three. One's from Glitter Heart Co., one's from Glitter Guy, and one is from the Drunk Flamingo. So the first glitter I'm adding is Galinda, and that's from the Glitter Guy. And I'm going to just put it along the base and then slowly create that line as to where I want to stop, the white to stop and the pink to start. And then I will be adding the Glitter Harco XOXO, which is one of my favorite colors. And I'll go along and do this. I had some bald spots on the tumbler and you can see it through the white. So I'm going to have to add a second layer of glitter along with the craft paint and apothecary glue just to touch up that bald spot. So once this is dry and I brush it off with a brush, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add that second coat, as you can see right here. And you can see that bald spot. You can see the silver through it. So it's going to be helpful to have that second layer. And once these two layers are dry, I'll brush it off again. And I'm going to add the Drunk Flamingo's Valentini, which are little hearts along the bottom of the tumbler. I let the tumbler sit for about 4 hours to make sure it was completely dry, and I brushed off the excess glitter. And now what I'm doing is I'm adding apothecary glue, and as you can see, I'm brushing up to try and get a little feathered effect with the Valentini I'm going to be putting on. So as I pour it on the tumbler, I'll have it cascade down, and it should only stick to where the places I have the apothecary glue. Now that I'm satisfied with the amount of Valentini I have on, I'm going to pat it down, let it dry, and I'm going to put it on the tumbler turner for one coat of the Flint Sisters Fast Set Epoxy. After adding the Flint Sisters Fast Set Epoxy, I then cut my decals, which I did not tape, and I applied them to my tumbler, put some polyacrylic on, and then I added 2 more coats of the Flint Sisters Artisan Epoxy. I got the decals from Creative Fabrica, which I will list and link in the description box below, along with the vinyl I used on my tumbler. So here it is, all finished, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.